Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we are factoring for an interesting problem. We have 4x squared minus 15x plus 9. Now with this one we cannot traditionally factor it, where we take our c value and the factors of that needs to add up to our b value. That's not possible in this case. So what we need to use is an interesting factoring principle. And that principle is, if we had a x squared plus bx plus c, which we do, we need to find u and v such that u times v is equal to a times c, and u plus v is equal to b. And then we can group them like such: a x squared plus ux plus vx plus c, and factor it that way. So what that would look like is we need to first take our a, b, and c values. So our a value is 4, our b value is negative 15, and our c value is 9. And now according to this equation up here, we would take our u times our v is equal to our a times our c. A times c, 4 times 9 is 36. Then we take our u plus our v is equal to b, and our b is negative 15. Now in order to solve for u and v, we need to have such values that add up to negative 15, and if they multiply, are 36. Now you might be able to infer that both values need to be negative, because we need to add up to a negative value, and two negatives multiplied is a positive number. So in this case, our values are going to be a negative 3 and a negative 12. Negative 3 plus negative 12 is negative 15, and negative 3 times negative 12 will be a positive 36. So our u value will be negative 3, and our v value will be negative 12. Now that we have this, we can plug it into this formula here. So we would have 4x squared plus negative or minus a negative 3x. And then we'd have a negative 12x plus positive 9. And now we can factor. Let's start by factoring these two sides individually. So on the left side here, we can pull out an x value. And on the right side, we can pull out a 3. So we would have x times 4x minus 3 times 4x minus 3. Now something you'll notice is we now have 4x minus 3 in both spots, which we can now factor out, which will leave us with an x minus 3. So we'll have 4x minus 3 times x minus 3. And that is how you factor this problem. It is definitely a unique one and a refresher on an interesting factoring principle. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe or comment down below with any questions. And thank you for watching.